Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to like notes in Instagram. Before we get started, make sure that the Instagram app is installed on your device and your account is signed in on the app. Since I already have the app installed on my device, I'll just go ahead and proceed on opening Instagram on my device. Now in here, just click on the top right corner of your screen to be able to view the notes and messages on your account. Now click on a note. To be able to like a note, just click on the heart icon. You can also send a GIF by clicking the GIF icon and selecting a GIF from your available GIFs. And there you have it, folks. That's how you like a note on Instagram with the latest version of Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.